Network management is the way that the network manages resources to optimize the user experience.
Anytime you have a resource or a good that is desired and used by a large segment of the population, a network of some sort grows up around it.
Every application has different requirements for those parameters. To achieve the optimum experience across all users, the network needs to assign resources in a way that addresses the exact needs of the application.
There's a finite store of capacity that's available in any network at any given time. There are a large number of people who have interest in accessing that network, that capacity, and it's impossible in principle to build more capacity than people can use. And the reason for that is that it's sort of like if you build it, they will come. The more capacity we deploy in networks, the more utilization takes place.
An example of how different applications have different requirements is video streaming versus interactive video. With video streaming, if the stream arrives a little while after it was sent, the user won't perceive any difference. They can have a continuous, reliable video stream even though there's a little bit of delay in the transmission of that video. In contrast, interactive video requires that the video is received very soon after it is sent. If there is any delay in the system, then the interactive video experience becomes extremely unpleasant. An example of an application with very precise network requirements is autonomous vehicles. There will be situations where the autonomous car will need to receive information very quickly. And an example of that would be a pedestrian on the road, but around the corner, not visible to the car. In that situation, it would be essential that that information about the pedestrian be received as quickly as possible, even if it doesn't include very much information. In that case, the delay, or minimizing the delay, would be of crucial importance.
So what would it be like to drive around residential neighborhoods if you didn't have stop signs and you didn't have traffic lights? Predictably, there'd be more accidents. And so that's a kind of traffic management that's, and it's, it's in a reasonably fair manner, although it's not always done very efficiently. I mean, when lights turn red and there's no traffic coming on the green light side to utilize it, it's a bit ridiculous, right? We don't want to manage the internet the way we manage the roadways.